Most Gold IRA companies show off their 5-star reviews. But want to know what really separates the good ones from the bad? Check the complaints. Here's how to use real customer complaints to avoid shady fees, poor service, and bait and switch tactics before it's too late. Head over to the Better Business Bureau, then search for the company name, click into their profile, and open the Customer Complaints tab. You're not just counting complaints here, look for patterns. Repeated issues with pricing, pressure tactics, poor follow-up, or surprise fees. Skim through a few complaint threads. Do they sound familiar or scripted? Do they respond professionally or dodge responsibility? This is where the truth shows up, especially after the sale. Need help knowing what to look for? The free company comparison checklist includes 5 smart questions that help you filter through real reviews and not just the polished stuff. I'll link it in the description below this video. Don't just read the stars, read the complaints. Use them to spot red flags and avoid companies that only look good on the surface. And grab the free checklist below this video. It walks you through exactly what to ask before you invest.